This is Mama Miche, and today in the Magic Kitchen, chicken with spinach artichoke cream sauce. I'm going to share something about my hubster today. We've been together since our first date. We met July 19th, 2003. Had our first date at the NAMM show in Nashville the following day and then started dating long distance. He lived in Memphis, a 3-hour drive down the music highway, which we wore a groove in, even after we shacked up in Memphis. We celebrated his birthday the first year we were together, with me cooking him a 5-course meal. The menu was planned, as were wardrobe changes. I was and still am a little bit extra when it comes to celebrations. There are occasions that I menu plan. There's a certain amount of meal planning I do on and off. I often am not in the mood for what I planned, so I try to have a well-stocked pantry and freezer to make sure spontaneous food cravings get filled. Back to the Hubs. He has always claimed to not be a great writer. My Hubs can write. You should hear the wedding vows he wrote. He's also a great editor too, helps me immeasurably with my own writing, and he's funny and witty and can turn a phrase. One of my favorites is what he says after I create a new recipe. Hey hon, did you pull this one out of your ass? Always fun to hear anything about food and asses, am I right? Anyway, this delicious and easy recipe for a quick weeknight meal or dinner party came out of my ass. For more meals, not necessarily out of the bahookie, like, follow, subscribe, place an order for some twice stolen spice, and let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
One for the books.